Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arewa. I welcome you to my channel, History with Arewa. On today's topic of History with Arewa, I just want to talk about Egbe Orun, different types of Egbe Orun and their characteristics or behavioral traits towards it. Meanwhile, before I get into the main thing, welcome to my channel once again. If you're new here, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video, so you can come and check it out. Also, this is a Yoruba and English channel, so mama mix your papa ni ibi bani. Thanks so much guys for joining me. Don't forget to follow my two other channel, which is Intimacy with Arewa and SMC, that is Social Media Court with Arewa. Thank you so much guys for joining me once again today. Thank you for always coming back to this channel. Click on that subscribe button once again, and don't forget to share this particular topic. And thank you so much guys for joining me once again today. So let us get into it. On today's episode, I am going to be speaking in Yoruba, like I might say more in Yoruba, and I'm going to put in English here and there into it. But for the sake of you that don't even understand any Yoruba at all, if you want the English version, you can call me, and I'm going to explain to you like I'm going to do now. But on this particular one, I'm going to do English and Yoruba. I'm going to mix it together, so you can call me for further explanation. +234 811 084 5303. Once again, I'm going to leave it my contact down below in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it in the comment section here, so you can WhatsApp me, call me if you want the English version of this. So thank you very much once again. Let's move on. So lórí ètò lónìí, mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹgbẹ́. Kí ni ó ń jẹ́ ẹgbẹ́? Irú àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wo gan ni ó tiẹ̀ wà? Kí ló ń jẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀hún? Irú àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wo ló wà? Kí ni trait wọn tẹ́ máa fi dá wọn mọ̀? Kí ni nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ àbí nǹkan tí kò yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀? Once again, I am not an Ifa priest nor a priestess. I am not any, but when it comes to having knowledge about it, my research and a lot of other things I'm going to share with you guys here on this program. So ẹ jẹ́ kí a bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí ètò. Kí là ń pè ní ẹgbẹ́? Ẹgbẹ́ jẹ́ nǹkan kan tó jẹ́ pé a lè pè wọ́n ní heavenly mate, heavenly comrade. Ìyẹn ni à ń pè ní ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀run. Àwọn tó jẹ́ pé a jọ ń ṣe, a jọ ń jẹ ní ọ̀run kí oníkálukú tó gbé báàgì ẹ̀ wá sí ìyẹn ìsàlẹ̀ ayé. Àwọn tí a jọ ń ṣe jíjẹ, tẹjọ ń ṣe mímu, tẹjọ ń ṣeré, your mate, your heavenly mate. Bí a ṣe ní, for instance, bá ṣe ní Èkó Island Club, Ìkẹjà kìíní kan club, Agége kan club, bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe rí pé ẹgbẹ́ àwọn tí a jọ ń ṣe ní ìyẹn ìsàlẹ̀ ọ̀run kí oníkálukú tó wá sí ìsàlẹ̀ ayé. So they are your heavenly mate, heavenly comrade, in ọ̀run, in heaven. Now we have so many types of ẹgbẹ́. We have so many types. I'm just going to mention few and their respective characteristics. We have the very first one that we call Iyalode. Iyalode. Iyalode is regarded as the leader of Egbe on heart. So children or people in this Iyalode, in this Egbe Iyalode, they tend to have leadership quality in its most evident characteristics of all this class of Egbe. And going by the name, just because it is called appears to be maybe a female, can only belong to because of the word Iyalode. Rárá o. Àwọn ọkùnrin wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ yìí náà, torí pé wọ́n ń pè ní Iyalode does not mean pé bóyá obìnrin nìkan òun ló wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ yìí. Rárá o. Àwọn ọkùnrin wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ yìí náà. So the leadership quality of Iyalode may, however, be limited to heart, as bó ṣe wà nínú Ifá, as Ifá clarifies it under a verse of Ìrosùn Méjì, that Ifá talks about Janjasa. That is a name, as the name of the head of Egbe in heaven, while Iyalode is the head of Egbe on heart. Or Janjasa is another name by which Iyalode is known for. so ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí wípé orúkọ olórí ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ tá ní olórí wọn òun ni ìyálóde ìyẹn tí orílẹ̀ ayé bọ̀ ní ìsàlù ọ̀run jàǹjàsà ni olórí ẹgbẹ́ nǹkan tí ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí nìyẹn àwọn ìyálóde yìí they are usually neat wọ́n máa neat gan ni you know they are motivational and they are always well dressed wọ́n máa múra tẹ́ bá ti rí wọn wọ́n máa múra wọ́n máa neat pani wọ́n máa neat pani one of their praise names is Adado bíi ẹ̀kún eégún that is the one that dresses in colorful robes like a masquerade. They love to party, they love to show off, wọ́n like kó máa lọ sóde and they love to make their presence known wherever they are. Any party tán bá ti wà bíbi tán bá ti wà báyìí kí èèyàn pé gbagba ń bẹ̀ ẹ máa notice wọn ṣáá ni ẹ máa notice wọn ṣáá ni wọ́n like kó wọṣọ tẹ́ bá bímọ ẹ̀mí àwọṣọ ilé àbọ̀ àwọṣọ ilé àlọ́bọ̀ àtúwò ẹ̀mí wọ́n máa ní ìtìpa ni. They have this, they like to murder people, they like to murder because they have leadership, you know, motherly character in them. So ẹ máa rọ mẹ́mí tó yẹ pé a máa ṣe bí àgbàlagbà wọ́n máa like láti murder torí àwọn gangan bíi ẹmọ àwọn olórí ẹgbẹ́ tó wà ní gbogbo orílẹ̀ ayé so wọ́n ní àwọn ọmọ lábẹ́. So they like to murder, they like to take care of their children and even children that are not their own. They like to make sure that everybody seems to be, you know, good. They like to, they go out of their way to make everything, you know, good for people because they have that leadership quality and that motherly quality in them. And they love to show off. They are neat, highly well dressed. Their appearance is very and their presentation is very important to them. Èèyàn lè jìyà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wọn kankan ò lè jìyà ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kankan apart pé ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kankan ò lè jìyà níbi tí ìyálóde wà torí iṣẹ́ wọn ni. And then they love to party mo ti sọ yẹn usually mentally aloof and they are very charitable gẹ́gẹ́ bí olórí ẹgbẹ́. Ìyálóde takes good care of their children and work, you know, for the safety and protection and success of everybody, of all ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ carry, not just ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ ìyálóde, ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ in total. And again, it is very difficult and it is very dangerous to offend ìyálóde. As benevolent as she is, she can be very mean. Every known force of ajogun evil will be sent to offenders. Ìyálóde ò gbọdọ̀ bínú o. Bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ìyálóde máa ń pẹ́ kó tó bínú ṣùgbọ́n ìbínú ìyálóde kò dáa ṣe mọ̀ pé gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ ló wà ní abẹ́ wọn. So gbogbo ajogun ìyẹn àwọn ẹ̀mí òṣì ẹ̀mí you know mo kàn fún yín ní example ni gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà ní ìkáwọ́ ìyálóde láti fi ṣe kíni láti fi bá ènìyàn jà. Ṣùgbọ́n ó máa ń pẹ́ kí ìyálóde tó bínú bí gbogbo motherly quality ṣe wà lára wọn tó wọ́n máa ń pẹ́ kan tó bínú ìbínú wọn kò dáa. So àwọn yẹn ni ti ìyálóde. Let's say the second one that I'll be talking about is eléèkó elérìkò. Àwọn náà tẹ́ bá gbọ́ eléèkó or elérìkò the same thing ni wọ́n ń sọ. Ẹlòmíì máa pè wọ́n ní eléèkó ẹlòmíì máa pè wọ́n ní elérìkò the same thing ni which I happen to be part of. Yeah. Now àwọn eléèkó are also known as elérìkò, like I said. It's one of the Egbes that confounds multiple personalities. Lè mọ orú èèyàn tán jẹ́. At different times, the subject, you know, the people in this Egbe can be patient or impatient. They can be ruthless or merciful. Their mood depends on their immediate desires. So nítorí ìgbà míì wọ́n lè nice, ìgbà míì kàn má nice. Ìgbà míì wọ́n lè ní sùúrù, ìgbà míì kàn má ní sùúrù. Wọ́n ní different personality tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ò lè predict pé personality wọn or personality wọn ó ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú bí mood tí wọ́n bá wà ní àkókò tán bá wà. Eleeko has behavioral patterns very similar to Eshu. So that is why some people refer to link Eshu to Egbe Eleeko to call them Eshu inside Egbe in general. They are very, very powerful. I want to know Egbe Eleeko. They are very powerful because they operate in 3 places. And their symbol is snake. Their symbol of Eleeko is snake. They can operate in water. They can operate on land. They can operate in wind. Only symbol ni wọ́n ṣe jẹ́ ejò. Tó jẹ́ pé ejò ló wà nínú omi. Ó lè gbé lórí ilẹ̀. Nínú afẹ́fẹ́, ó ń lọ náà ni. So they are very, very powerful. Now, because of their behavioral patterns, because of their different personalities, wọ́n wá kúkú pè wọ́n ní èṣù inú ẹgbẹ́. Eleeko are very, very mischievous, crafty, and highly intelligent. Very, very manipulative and highly emotional. Mi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ the highest, tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ the highest emotional person láyé àwọn Eleeko ni. Orí wọn máa ń tètè wú. Wọ́n kò lè dédé bú sígbe, kán bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ké. Àwa nìyẹn. Wọ́n kò lè dédé orí wọn máa ń wú any small thing báyìí a kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa gbọ́. Ẹ kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ Eleeko tó jẹ́ pé they are emotional. Highly emotional. Highly emotional. Orí wọn máa ń tètè máa ń wú bí gàrí ni. They are emotional. So nítorí kò ṣe dá kí èèyàn ṣe àwọn Eleeko torí wípé tí wọ́n bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan ló máa fi fẹ́. Tó má dé sọ pé kò àwọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mọ́ kò sí Jupiter kan tó lè yẹ. They are emotional people. Wọ́n máa ń tètè ké ni. Any small thing, omi àti máa yọ lójú wọn, omi pọ̀ sí wọn, omi wọ́n ní aláṣejù. Ó ń bímọ tó ń fojoojúmọ́ máa ké òun lọmọ Eleeko. Bí mo ṣe ń sọ lọ. They are mischievous, they are crafty, and they are very intelligent. And these are some traits of Eshu also. Nítorí ọ̀nà ṣe máa ń pè wọ́n ní Eshu inú ẹgbẹ́ because wọ́n ní personalities tí a kà mọ́ Eshu. And then, apart from even sharing all these similarities with Eshu, Eleeko are known to be treacherous, sneaky, and a thief. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. But Eleeko steals only from those who have in abundance. For those who have none, Eleeko ò ní mú nǹkan ẹ̀. Nǹkan tí ò bá ní in surplus kò ní jí. Kò ní jí nǹkan lọ́wọ́ ẹni tí kò ní nǹkan. Ibi táwọn Eleeko tún burú sí nìyẹn o. Wọ́n máa mú nǹkan ẹ̀ tó bá ṣẹ̀ wọ́n tó bá bóyá bí ọmọ ẹ̀mí ní sí bóyá kò rí pé bóyá ó ń fẹ́ wọ́. Ó lè má jẹ ọmọ yẹn gan ló mú. Nígbà míì ó lè má jẹ pé ọmọ yẹn gan lè má mọ̀ pé òun lòun mú. Ìgbà míì ó lè kówó síbì kan kó débẹ̀ kó má bówó ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ mọ̀ kan ti mú nínú ẹ̀. Kò ṣe pé Eleeko máa kó gbogbo ẹ̀ o. Ó lè mú nínú ẹ̀ ni. Ó lè ka bí kò kọ ká 10,000 sí báyìí. Kò dẹ̀ máa yíjẹ̀ padà. Kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó débẹ̀ o bí àwọn nìkan ló tiẹ̀ wá ńlé gan. Kò síbẹ̀ ní sì kó bá 9,000 kan ti yọ ẹyọ kan nú ẹ̀. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ni. Bóyá o ṣẹ̀ wọ́n ni o. Bóyá ò dá sí wọn ni o. Bóyá acknowledge wọn ni o. Bóyá ò fún wọn ní kankan ni o. Òun náà ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní mú nǹkan ẹ̀. Irú àwọn ọmọ tó jẹ́ wípé ẹ máa rí wọn bóyá wọ́n mú owó ẹ̀ wọ́n lọ ha fáwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wọn. Or bóyá wọ́n náwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wọn tẹ́bi ń pa wọ́n kò lè gbé oúnjẹ bóyá oúnjẹ tẹ́ ẹ gbé sínú kọ́ńbọ̀dù kan kò gbé wẹ́ kọ́ rí pé wọ́n lọ ha fáwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wọn níta. Àwọn ọmọ Eleeko nìyẹn. Wọn ò ní jí lọ́wọ́ ẹni tí kò bá ní. Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa jí láti lọ fún ẹni tí kò ní ni. Irú àwọn ọmọ Eleeko nìyẹn. But Eleeko steals from those who have in abundance. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ. For those that have none. So kò ń ṣe pé bí wọ́n kàn déédé jí nǹkan èèyàn. Or pé wọ́n kàn déédé jalè. Rárá o. Tó bá lọ́mọ tó ń jí nǹkan tó ń fẹ́wọ́. Mi ò sọ pé kọ́mọ lójú kòkòrò o. Bí kí ọmọ mú nǹkan ni o. Ó máa mú tó máa mọ̀ pé òun ló mú ni o. Tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé kí ló fi ṣe gan wà kàn gbọ́ pé bóyá fún ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kan. Bóyá ó rí èèyàn kan tẹ́bi ń pa tó kọ̀ lọ fẹ́ nìyẹn lówó. Then gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe ń sọ lọ. There are times when it seems like a spirit or someone is stealing from someone. Unexplained disappearance of money or valuable items inside the house or in transit. Such as a result of Ele-Eko activities. It is possible that the person had wronged them. I'm sorry if this podcast will be long. I just want to, want it to be in a detailed form. As wronged Egbe in general or Ele-Eko in particular and is being punished. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí wípé ó lè jẹ́ wípé bóyá ó ti ṣe èèyàn kan tó wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ Ele-Eko or ó ti ṣe èèyàn kan tó wà nínú ẹgbẹ́. Ó lè má jẹ́ pé ẹni gan wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ Ele-Eko kó jẹ́ pé ẹgbẹ́ mi ìyálóde ó lè rán Ele-Eko níṣẹ́. Gẹ́gẹ́ mo sọ pé ìyálóde ló lórí ẹgbẹ́. So or kó jẹ́ wípé bóyá Ele-Eko gogogogo ni ó ṣẹ̀ tó wá ń fìyà ẹ̀ jẹ, being punished. Also known as Olumomo, Ele-Eko will compel or hunt such person. So when you have a child that steals or talkative, over ambitious, stubborn or sneaky, it's likely he or she belongs to Ele-Eko. And there are a lot of things that you can do to pertaining all this area that I just listed down. Listed down. Àwọn chants tí wọ́n fi ń pè this àwọn qualities tí mo kà sílẹ̀ yìí. There are things that it won't go away from the child from when tó bá wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ Ele-Eko, but there's a lot of things that you can do to get everything in the right perspective. One of the chants that describes we Ele-Eko is ọmọ fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí wa wípé aláṣejù bẹ́ lọ́jọ́ bí ẹlẹ́jọ́ lọ́mọ, aláṣejù bẹ́ lẹ́jọ́ lọ́mọ. Ìyẹn ó túmọ̀ sí wípé an overdue entity that baits a talkative child. Torí ọmọ Ele-Eko bọ́n ṣe ń mú nǹkan wọ́n máa ń rojọ́, wọ́n wà over ambitious, wọ́n wà sneaky, wọ́n wà stubborn, wọ́n wà crafty, wọ́n wà mischievous, wọ́n wà highly intelligent, highly emotional set of people. And I've told you earlier, they are very powerful because they operate in 3 places. Wọ́n wà ní omi, wọ́n wà ní orí ilẹ̀, wọ́n lè gbé lórí ilẹ̀, wọ́n lè wà ní omi. Àwọn ni emèrè inú omi. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lè wà ní òfurufú náà, wind, they can walk in those 3 places. So they are highly emotional. Omi ò kì í jìnnà sí ojú wọn, orí wọn máa ń tètè máa ń wú ni. Omi máa ń pọ̀ lójú wọn gidi gan ni, wọ́n wà emotional gidi gan ni. So irú àwọn Ele-Eko nìyẹn. Tèmi tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí mo jẹ́ kan ní inú ìgbẹ́. I'm not an Ifa priest, like I said earlier. I am not an Ifa priest. Mo ṣe ìwádìí, mo ṣe àwárí ara mi ni mo fi mọ̀ pé inú ẹgbẹ́ tí mo wà ní eléyìí. Gẹ́gẹ́ mo dẹ̀ ti sọ lórí ètò yìí pé ọ̀tọ̀ ni òrìṣà tó mórí èèyàn, ọ̀tọ̀ ni ẹgbẹ́ o, ọ̀tọ̀ lẹgbẹ́ ọ̀run o, ọ̀tọ̀ ni òrìṣà. Mo ti sọ wípé ọmọ Olókun Ọbàtálá òun lèmi. Ẹgbẹ́ Ele-Eko mo wà ní. And again, one can actually belong to more than one Egbe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, one can belong to more than one Egbe. There are some ways that can, if you want to know which one you belong to, it is through a divination or bí mo ṣe ń sọ àwọn characteristics kalẹ̀ yìí kó ṣe ìwádìí ara ẹ pé bí Arẹwà ṣe ń sọ ó dà pé ẹgbẹ́ eléyìí mo wà. That is how it is. And then tó bá fẹ́ mọ̀ pé bóyá àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ ṣì wà pẹ̀lú ẹ, ó ní nǹkan kan tí mo lè ní kó o ṣe. Ìyẹn you can call me for that. Again, that consultation is not free. Enough of me just giving information out, and at the end of the day, all I will get is thank you. So if you want to do that, that one is, you are going to pay me for consultation, for consulting you with that. Now, I can tell you little sacrifice that you can do yourself tó yẹ kó máa ṣe fún ara ẹ, fún ara ẹ bí àwọn sàárà tó lè máa ṣe fáwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ, bí ẹjọ́ tó yẹ kó máa ṣe, àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ kó máa fi ṣe, ó lè pè mí kí n sọ gbogbo yẹn fún ẹ. It's not free though. The consultation for that is not free. Now, bí mo ṣe ń sọ lọ, ẹgbẹ́ mi tá tún máa dárúkọ ni Àṣepa. Now, all this àwọn èèyàn tó wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ Àṣepa group are vocal, pompous, They are pompous, they are treacherous in magic, and the spiritual influence of Ashikpa can cause forgetfulness. It is common with these people to meet someone for the first time and feel strongly that they've known the person before. Àwọn tó wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ Ashikpa yìí, àwọn tó jẹ́ pé tó bá meet wọn gbà mí, wọ́n máa ń feel bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ó dà pé mo ti mọ ẹni yìí rí tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n máa ń sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n wà pompous, wọ́n wà vocal, ọ̀rọ̀ dá lẹ́nu wọn ṣáká, wọ́n wà pompous gan. So they'll feel strong that they've known the person before. And then it is this influence that can also cause, people or humans that are inside this Egbe to become lost. So we always, making Ashikpa to be related to a deity called, called Idako. Temporarily or prolonged memory loss more likely occurs, especially to the humans in this Egbe. When a devotee of Ashikpa repudiates his or her faith or is found wanting in devotion, it may also happen to someone who ought to have been initiated into this Igba but is proving stubborn. Ashikpa is said to have the capacities to sell the destiny of a man to buy another one. Ìyẹn àwọn ẹgbẹ́ Ashikpa òun ni èyí tí mo sọ yẹn. Wọ́n máa ń gbàgbé nǹkan. Wọ́n máa ń feel strong connected tó máa meet èèyàn. Àwọn tó wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ yìí nígbà míì, just because pé nígbà míì ó dá kéèyàn mọ irú ẹgbẹ́ tó belong sí. Kò ṣe pé bóyá o fẹ́ lọ fìdí ẹgbẹ́ tó bá ṣe divination tó máa ní kó wá fìdí ẹgbẹ́ lélẹ̀. I'm not an Ifa priest or priestess. No, I don't. Tó máa ní pé bóyá torí èmi ò fìdí ẹgbẹ́ lélẹ̀ or do any of those things, so no. But with my research and with the little things that I'm doing that I can tell you to, that consultation is not free again. Jẹ́ kó lè máa ṣe tí ọ̀nà á máa là fún wọn náà, so to say. Ìyẹn tí pé àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ò bá strong pé wọ́n fẹ́ kó wá fìdí ẹgbẹ́ lélẹ̀ o, pending the time tó máa fi fìdí ẹgbẹ́ lélẹ̀, àwọn little things wà tó lè máa ṣe tí mo lè sọ fún ẹ. Ẹgbẹ́ mi tá tún máa dárúkọ ni ẹgbẹ́ jagunjagun. Jagun means warrior, and it shares with Eleriko the attribute of restlessness. Ṣé mọ̀ pé mo dárúkọ Eleriko síwájú tẹ́lẹ̀. And the benevolence side of Eleriko, àwọn náà wọ́n share nínú attributes. Àwọn ọmọ Eleriko máa wà restless. Ṣé mọ̀ pé mo sọ pé wọ́n ní multiple personality. So àwọn ẹgbẹ́ jagun náà wọ́n ṣe kíni, wọ́n mú ní àwọn attributes kọ̀ọ̀kan tí Eleriko ní. Jagunjagun is very, very accommodating. Wọ́n gbàyàn mọ́ra and does not play with his or her leisure time. Wọ́n like kó máa gbafẹ́. Wọ́n fi time tó bá yẹ, àkókò tó bá yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe kíni, kí wọ́n flex, wọ́n chill, wọ́n fi chill, wọ́n ṣeré rárá. Indication of a child as jagun can be done at birth or shortly after birth to fully experience the power and characteristics of such children of jagunjagun. One may have to wait till the child is grown to a certain age. Kẹ̀kẹ́ tó lè marry àwọn different, characteristics lára àwọn ọmọ. But tó bá jẹ́ pé ìwà àgbàlagbà ló ń gbọ́ mi, bí mo ṣe ń sọ yìí, tó bá jẹ́ pé ìwọ ní àwọn attribute wa ti mọ̀ pé inú eléyìí mi wà. It is very difficult finding a child of jagun telling lies or stealing. They are always very strict and meticulous. They may also be promiscuous, so ìyẹn tó bá jọkùnrin wọn, wọ́n like ṣóyè yín. Like Iyalode and others, the contact or sacrifice to jagunjagun is through ìyẹn ẹgbẹ́ pot. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí wípé bí ẹgbẹ́ Iyalode àti gbogbo àwọn ẹgbẹ́ tó kù tó máa fẹ́ ní contact pẹ̀lú ìyẹn jagunjagun, ṣé mọ̀ pé jagunjagun ní ẹgbẹ́ ni wọ́n. Ètùtù ló máa fi bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ through pọ́ọ̀tù ẹgbẹ́. Ìyẹn àwọn bàbá olóríṣà, àwọn babaláwo àbí àwọn ìyáláwo ló lè bá yín ṣe gbogbo yẹn. Mi ò kí ń ṣe ìyáláwo gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ síwájú. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún tẹ̀síwájú. Ẹgbẹ́ tá tún máa dárúkọ is Baálẹ̀. Baálẹ̀ shares leadership qualities with Iyalode and is another Egbe class displaying another multiple personality. Though Baale are usually talented, domineering, but honest. Baale in their nominal sense means the ruler of a village, Baale Okolu, and not in any way related to Baale in Egbe, even though there are certain virtues that cut across the two of them. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí wípé ìpè baálẹ̀ ìyẹn ṣe mọ̀ pé ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá a máa ń pe baálẹ̀ ká tó sọ pé bóyá ọba, gbogbo la mọ̀ nǹkan tí baálẹ̀ mean, baálẹ̀ ọkọ ìlú gẹ́gẹ́ bí Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ. Ìyẹn baálẹ̀ ọkọ ìlú yẹn àbí baálẹ̀ ìlú yẹn village yẹn kò relate mọ́ baálẹ̀ inú ẹgbẹ́ o. Nǹkan tí mò ń try láti sọ nìyẹn o. Just like every class of Egbe, Baale has its own negative side, and punishment of hearing children is very severe and in some cases extreme. Another class of Egbe, again, another class of Egbe that we'll talk about now is Olugbogero, also known as Paaka Inu Abiku, sorry. Olugbogero is one Egbe that is associated with free flowing rivers. As one of the aliases suggests, it is also closely related to Abiku, stillbirth children. Olugbogero or Gbogoro is also Gegeluse. It fits appropriately. Gegeloshe, it fits appropriately. Members of this Egbe display different personalities, and also no matter how elegantly dressed, they will have a piece of rag somewhere on their body. It may be hand or wrapped around the clothes he or she has on, or even inside a purse. Ìyẹn àwọn Olugbogero òun nìyẹn. Another class of Egbe tá tún máa sọ nípa ẹ̀ ni Adeta. Adeta has a mystical association with refuge dumps. No matter how dark, far, or isolated a dump site may be, Adeta children will locate such places and play there. Ìyẹn orí àkìtàn, Egbe orí àkìtàn, Adeta Rita. Ìpè irú àwọn Egbe Adeta yìí wọ́n ní association pẹ̀lú orí àkìtàn tó ń da ilẹ̀ sí. No matter bí àkìtàn yẹn bá ṣe dúdú tó or pé ó wà isolated bó tẹ̀ jìnnà tó, àwọn tó wà nínú Egbe Adeta wọ́n máa ṣe kíni, wọ́n máa débẹ̀, ibẹ̀ náà ti máa ló máa wọ́n láti máa fẹ́ ṣeré. It is believed that that pass without Adeta saying hello to a refuge, that it is believed that àwọn Adeta tó bá gba ibi tí refuge dump wà, wọ́n máa láti ṣe hello, wọ́n máa láti kí. Àwọn Adeta is related to Oro, the brother of Egungun. Though similar in nature and presentation to Adeta, Alukulaka is said to be tongue-tied and very stubborn. These days, both are categorized as Adeta or Adeta Rita. The last Egbe that we'll talk about is Mohun. Àwọn Mohun yìí are always very reluctant to run errands. Wọ́n yọ̀lẹ gidi gan ni. They are sluggish and very hesitant in making clear-cut decisions. Either because of their hard-headedness or forgetfulness, they tend to leave duties given to them undone. However, they are usually very immaculate and put extra effort in making themselves look good. Ìyẹn àwọn Mohun. Àwọn Egbe Mohun yìí, wọ́n ṣe kíni, wọ́n yọ ọ̀lẹ. Wọ́n wà sluggish, wọ́n yọ̀lẹ. Wọ́n ní ìròjú iṣẹ́. Tẹ́ bá rán wọn níṣẹ́, wọ́n ní ìròjú gidi gan, wọ́n ní ìròjú, wọ́n dẹ̀ yọ̀lẹ. wọ́n wà sluggish, wọn kì í tètè make decision when it comes to making decisions. Wọn kì í tètè make decision tó bá ti di pé bí kí wọ́n make, like they are hesitant in making decision. Bóyá nítorí wípé orí kunkun tán ní ni o, àbí torí pé wọ́n máa ń gbígbàgbé nǹkan bìkọ́ tẹ́ bá rán wọn níṣẹ́ tán bá ṣiṣẹ́ mọ̀ kó wọ́n gbàgbé náà nìyẹn. Bóyá torí pé wọ́n máa ń gbàgbé ni àbí orí kunkun tán ní ni o, they tend not to, they tend to leave duties given to them undone. Bóyá nítorí ìyẹn ni o, kò yé wa o ṣùgbọ́n. However, bí wọ́n ṣe wá ṣe gbogbo eléyìí tó yìí o, bí gbogbo eléyìí ṣe wà lára wọn tó yìí o, àwọn ọmọ òun yìí, they are usually very immaculate. Wọ́n máa ń ṣe kíni, wọ́n máa ń fi extra effort láti ṣe kíni, láti make ara wọn look good. Ṣó yé yín bẹ́yẹn? Wọ́n máa ń make ara wọn, wọ́n máa ń fúnra wọn ní àkókò àti wákàtí. Wọ́n máa ń take time láti make ara wọn look good, láti múra dáadáa, láti ṣe kíni, smell good, dress nice. Bí wọ́n ṣe lazy tó láti jíṣẹ́, but tó bá di pé bí wọ́n fẹ́ múra láti make ara wọn look good, ibẹ̀ ló máa ti bá wọn. Wọ́n máa invest time àti effort sínú yẹn dáadáa. But pé láti lọ ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn, wọn kí wọ́n má gbàgbé ìyẹn, wọ́n sluggish nìyẹn. Láti tètè make decision pé ó yá o, ṣé ló fẹ́ o, wọ́n máa bóyá kí n mú bí àbí bóyá náà ni. Ẹ jẹ́ máa rò náà. But tó bá di pé bí wọ́n fẹ́ múra, wọ́n fẹ́ look good báyìí, àbí wọ́n fẹ́ lọ ṣe irun, wọ́n fẹ́ lọ gẹrun, wọ́n fẹ́ lọ ra perfume kàbí wọ́n fẹ́ lọ, something to make themselves look good. Ibẹ̀ wọ́n máa invest gbogbo time síbẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n máa fi extra effort. Kò sí bó ṣe sluggish tó, wọ́n ṣe ní ìrora tó. Wọ́n máa ṣe kíni, wọ́n máa jáfẹ́fẹ́ lórí ìyẹn àwọn ẹgbẹ́ mọ. So we'll stop here today. If you have further question or you want a clear English version of this that you don't want the Yoruba that I'm adding in it, you can contact me. And then if you want consultation concerning what little things that you can do, or in determining which Egbe that you belong to, that one, like I said, the consultation is not free. I am not an Ifa priest, nor a Babalawo, Abi Yalawo, or nothing like that. So this is a thorough research that I've done, that I've used, that many people have used, that I've said to many people, and they give testimony as well. So catch you in the next one. Thank you very much.